welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sidine and I'm back with another video. So for today's video, I will be doing a braid out. If you want to see me achieve my braid out, just keep on watching. For today's braid out, I will be using olive oil, ORS Smooth and Old Pudding. I will also be using my Ecostyler black castor oil and flaxseed gel.
So I'm going to start off by making 4 sections, 2 in the front and 2 in the back. It's always so much easier for me to work in sections because my hair is so thick. Working in sections make the process seems way less tedious and make my hair seems more manageable. I don't know if that makes sense. So after making my sections, I'm starting from the back and I will be doing medium-sized braids. To do my braid, I first added the Smooth and Old Pudding by Olive Oil. Then I add my Ecostyler gel. I then brush the hair to ensure that it is fully detangled. Then I go on to do my braid. So I'm on to the final section, and first I'm adding my Smooth and Old Pudding by Olive Oil and then my Ecostyler gel. I ensure that the section is fully detangled using my fingers and my Annie brush. After the detangling process, then I start my braiding. So I'm all done and I am so happy. So in total I have about 14 braids, and now I'm gonna tie my hair with my cap and it's time for bed. I'll see you tomorrow for the takedown. So it's the next day, hi guys, and it's time for the takedown. Okay, don't judge my makeup skills. I am still in the learning process. It will get better with time. Don't judge me. So for today's takedown, I will be using Tropic Eye Living Jamaican Black Castor Oil. I'll be coating my hands and rubbing it all over my braids, and this will help my braids, well, it will help to minimize the frizz. Thank you guys so much for watching. To all my wonderful subbies who always show me love, go and big up on yourself. If you are new here, please feel free to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, guys, one love.